What's up guys, Mustafa here, and in this video today we have the new Samsung Galaxy J2 unboxing in it. So let's unbox. So well, on the top you get the Indian same, and on the bottom there is the badging of it, barcode, and the left it's plain. On the right you get the price list over there, and on the rear you get the J2 badging and its detailed features. What is the special features? So let's unbox it. Why, let's open. On top you get the Samsung Galaxy J2 2018. Well, you have a new look. We'll just come to that part later. Let's see what all do we get in the box contents. We get the quick guide setup in Hindi, English, and Korea, because Samsung does offer in Korea also. The normal travel adapter charger, and not a fast charger, and it's a cable. So there's no headphones. Samsung says that it doesn't offers headphone under the pricing of 10,000. So as soon as you just go above 10,000 cash limits, you will obviously get the headphones. So well, thank you guys for watching my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.